So welcome to our park, our place, our castle. This is a little bit crowded here. Wow! Welcome, welcome. It is better than it looks like. Hello, this is me, Edgars Neilands, and we are now in Norway. Velkommen alle som bor her på Karmøy. Vi har kommet, vi har kjøpt i går huset her på Karmøy. So we will speak in English, so also our friends from other countries understand it. And this is the second day. We are here, we came yesterday late by plane, so we'd never been inside the house. We were surprised it's quite good. And now we are cleaning roof, we are cutting a little bit of grass, some branches to have some basic safety when we go out on the road and to be able to go in the house. So we're cleaning some rooms to change our clothes. And next couple of days, couple of weeks, we will try to make it livable. How it's gonna go, follow us to see it. And we are here in Karmøy to make beautiful gardens. This is what we can do. My company, we are arborists, gardeners, landscape designers, tree experts, and all about outdoor space. So this old lady, this old house, I think deserves some nice garden around. And it's also going to be furnished and made a little bit more beautiful as in old good days. Let's see how we are doing it. So, how it's going?
Very good.
Very good.
Cleaning the roof.
Cleaning the roof. Is this window okay? It's the summertime. Somebody couldn't open the windows. This is another way to open it, to get out if you are stuck in the house. So this is a little bit dangerous. I almost fell down yesterday here. So somebody lived here before, as you can see. Okay. You wanna come in? Welcome to our castle. Ah, good, Artie, good. So we got safety first. Thank you to our Norwegian neighbors. So grass coming in. This is the green roofs. This is not so good. Yes. What do you think, Sanna? When you have this in your hand, this is not too good for your house. Not too good. Oh, yeah. Why did we bought this house? Why don't you use doors when you go out? If it's too hot, you can open it always, no? Oh, this was broken, maybe that's why. Yes, I think we can use some tape or plastic and fix it. Look here, some animal lives here. Yes. I don't know what kind of animal, but... Oh! You can fix yourself. Very nice. Aha! 2015. So 10 years ago, somebody was having some nice time here. This is not burning. This is why we have it. A big trees and view to the Karmsund waters. So Haugesund is on opposite side, and this is a beautiful island of Karmøy. So and this spot is also gonna be beautiful as all Karmøy. Så vi har Odd Arne her,
Ja, hei.
som har hatt hosset Tvørås.
Ja.
Hvor lenge har du hatt det?
Jeg har eid huset i ca. 15 år.
15?
Ja. Og jeg har ikke bodd der selv. Jeg har kjøpt denne eiendommen for å ha muligheter for å ekspandere en nabobedrift som jeg er eier av. Og da hadde vi problemer med kommunen, som jeg fikk ikke lov. Så da har jeg hatt huset på utleie. Så har det vært noen polske arbeidere som har bodd der i 10 år. Så etter det flyttet ut, så har ikke jeg brukt huset til noen ting, og det er snart 5 år siden.
5 år.
Ja. Så nå trenger huset en god renovering, som du sikkert ser.
Og da vi har jo litt energi, så
Ja.
planen passer godt sammen.
Ja.
At huset trengte noen som har lyst, og vi har lyst, så
Ja.
takk. Og vi tar...
Det er i alle fall en veldig fin tomt.
Ja.
Lunt og fint.
So this is day number 3, and we are still cleaning inside. It already looks a little bit better. We are designing, we have professional kitchen maker artists designing. We found a place for dishwasher. So we found a place for fridge. Maybe kitchen is gonna be also here. We will make a long one. So windows are cleaner. Carlos is making it a little bit more warm here. Zidra is making wonders with all the old doors. Zidra, well done! So we have to fix water today because we are cleaning with rainwater. It's good that it was raining yesterday. And of course cutting a lot of bed and overgrown trees. The water is the biggest problem, so we are falling the water. And there inside is the water, and we have to get it out.